look at the breach midship.
Taking photos now. The structural integrity is completely compromised here.
We need to assess the fuel tanks before dark.
Hook is secure on the bow cleat.
All right, taking the tension now. Easy.
Bring that line around the post now.
Got it, pull it tight.
Watch the slack on the bow line.
Look at the extent of this corrosion around the rudder. We're looking at major structural repairs here.
I agree. The engine mounts are completely...
Watch the edge, easy now. Got it, looks aligned. I'll start the sealant.
Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it, easy now. Watch the alignment on the bottom edge.
This is the Sunseekers performing a radio check on channel 16. Do you copy?
All right, I've got this manifold loose. Bring it over here. We need to label it before it goes in the bin.
Engine fully rebuilt with new parts.
All green on this side. How are the temps?
Stable and smooth. We are good to go.